To add a link to Moodle, scroll down to the bottom of the section and hit the plus sign to create learning activity. You have a choice of activities or resources. In this case, choose resources. We're adding a link, so select URL. Give the URL a name. Then type in the full address. You can add a description if you want to display it on the page. And just save and return to course. And at the bottom of your section of your topic, you will see the link. And the student would just click on it and it will take them to the page.